Let's ease into this first routine by starting with the step touch. And 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Quick pause. The knee-up punch is next. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and go. Arms straight. Excellent. Very good. We'll pause here. I'd like to do the sumo knee lift next. Let's begin. 3, 2, 1, and go. Great score. That's a high-level workout. A short break right here would be good. Let's get this next routine going with the power jog. We've got some powerful jogging coming up. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay, done. The dynamic leg curl will be up next. Let's begin. 3, 2, 1, go! Match your knees with the trainer. Good. Perfect. Quick break here. Let's do the squat kick combo for our next exercise. All set? 3, 2, 1, and go. That is a great score. Excellent work. Time to catch your breath. The next routine starts with the step touch. Really get your arms into it for a better workout. And 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Good place to pause. Next, we'll do the knee-up punch. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Go! Take a second. Our next exercise is the Sumo knee lift. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! It's a pleasure to see a flawless routine. I vote for a small break. This next routine starts off with the power jog. You can get an even better workout by really punching out. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Catch your breath. Don't relax yet. The dynamic leg curl is next. Let's begin. 3, 2, 1, and go. Okay. Our next exercise is the squat kick combo. 1, and go. Glad you came back. Excellent job. You really outdid yourself with that score. Let's break here. That one worked your entire body.